Find the measure of each angle of a regular polygon with letter A, 6 sides, 11 sides, and 14 sides. So the measure of each angle is equal to the number of sides minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by the number of sides. So this formula will gives us the measure of each angle of a regular polygon. So for letter A, we have 6. So 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees over 6. So the measure for each angle is equal to 120 degrees. For letter B, we have 11. So 11 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 11 is equal to 147 and 3 over 11 degrees. And for letter C, we have 14 sides. So 14 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 14 is equal to 154 and 2 over 7 degrees. So these are the measure of each angle of a regular polygon with the corresponding sides. So remember or take note of this formula. So n is the number of sides of the regular polygon.